Hey guys, my name is Isaiah Ford and I've just closed on my first wholesale real estate deal for $17,500, and I want to give a special thank you to Stephen Howell. If you're looking to get into real estate, looking to expand yourself, expand your education and really focus on the quality and the efficiency of your business, I really think that Stephen Howell really did that for me. Before I took Steve's course, I was trying to do it on my own, watching a couple of YouTube videos and just going all over the place about how to structure my business, how to market, how to generate leads. But once I came across Stephen Howell's YouTube channel, I saw one of his wholesaling videos that was very popular, and it was focused on probates, and I seen a little bit of his background as far as reading books like Think and Grow Rich, and just I can see that he was very educated and self-educated, and I knew that from that day that I really wanted to work with Steve. And once I worked with Steve, he really guided me and had a lot of patience with my learning, and just understanding that we all learn in different ways, and it all takes time. And as soon as that I could adjust my schedule and kind of just get the momentum going, I think Steve was the main factor of why I got my first real estate deal, and I know that this was the best investment that I could have ever made. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys, and just let Steve know that I'm very grateful for what he did for me, and he got me to get my first real estate deal. And I know that he has now given me the knowledge and the guidance to where I can do this consistently, whether I want to do however many deals I want to do. I know that Steve was a really good mentor, and I know that he could be that for anybody else. So if you're looking to get into real estate, I know that Steve is going to be just an awesome guy to work with, and I'm very grateful for what he did. And I know that in real estate there's going to be fears, there's going to be problems, that there's going to be curves that may stop you from getting your first deal, or continuously striving in real estate. But I know that Steve helped me through those those curves and those roadblocks that he already had been through. And I know that experience for him was the biggest thing that I got from him, is I was able to leverage his experience and do this on my own. So thank you, Steve, and anybody who is out there looking to get into real estate, I know that Steve can be a great mentor for you.